Hi guys, welcome to a Source Sounds video. Here we've got a Ford Fiesta van. It's a 65 plate. We've done a KENWOOD DMX7520DABS, dashboard, relocation panel and a reverse camera. I'll show you inside the vehicle, show you all working. Okay, this is the rear of the vehicle and this is the camera, which is mounted up underneath the reg plate area, as you can see there. So it fits really well, gives you a good view of back of the car. Okay, so we're now inside the vehicle. As you can see here, this is this dashboard relocation panel, and that's the unit itself. So it actually looks really quite nice in there. It works with the existing steering wheel controls, and obviously, like I said to you, we've fitted a reverse camera. So if we pop the vehicle in reverse, that gives you a really good view of behind the vehicle, also retaining the information on the factory display there for your sensors, so when someone's near behind the vehicle. This system has got AM, FM, DAB, digital radio. It's got Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming. It's also got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got USB, and it's really good sounding unit and a really high-end, high-quality stereo system. So for further information on upgrading the system in your Fiesta, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.